Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making a student's activity. Now I make a adverts on it. I use two colors chart. Now I make this like this. I use my favorite colors like yellow and blue. You use any color of it. Okay. I use this color like this. Now use like this. Unfold it. Cut it because I'm making two hardback papers of adverts, so I'm making two sheets. Knit it. Now trace all the sides of it. Of like this. Look, it looks amazing. Write on it of adverts at at like this. B at bat. K at cat. Of other alphabet, H at hat. M at mat, and the last one is R at rat. Okay, use like this. Okay, we move it like this.